مجمع الأندلس التعليمي، تعلم عصري ملهم بهوية وطنية وقيم إسلامية.
بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome dear students back. This is your teacher, your English teacher, Mr Muhammad Khattab from Al-Andalus Boys Private School. Our lesson today is for grade 10, a reading comprehension lesson. We will try to read not a text but read signs and panels. For that, I need you to get your book prepared and opened on page 64. Page 64. As an objective, we will learn how to read a sign. By that, we will know the meaning of a sign and how to interpret a sign. So, why signs? Here we have two examples. Usually in reading, we read texts, but a text is an idea. Also, a sign has an idea. We can either read a sign or interpret a sign. Here we have two examples. The one on the left shows a triangle, yellow, and a man who is about to fall. Why? It says that, caution, beware, open your eyes. The floor is wet. There is water on the floor. So there is here a symbol, and here is what it says. Sometimes we have a drawing plus a sentence or a short sentence. Let's see to the second example. Another triangle with an exclamation mark. So, yes, it says that on your road there may be sand, moving sand on the tarmac, on the road. So be aware. Whenever there is a triangle, it means beware, caution, open your eyes, pay attention. Other examples, here on a plane, there is here a sign that says be aware. And what does it say here? Yes, electricity. If you touch the wire, you will be electrified. Warning, electricity, do not touch the wire. So only from a drawing and a short sentence, you have the idea as if someone is talking to you, or instead of writing the whole thing, making it easy for people to see the symbol and understand. Here, you may be familiar with this symbol. Yes, stop. But there is something else with it. It says, stop, no parking allowed. If you are on a vehicle, on a car, you cannot park in this area. No parking allowed beyond this point. Great, now you got the idea. Let's move on for some practice. As an activity, I will show you a panel, a sign, and you try to interpret it. So what does the sign indicate? What does it say? Yes, I need to hear you. Just say it. There is like a door, someone getting out, fire exit. An exclamation mark, fire escape door, keep clear of obstructions all the time. Yes, it says that this is a door or an exit in time of fire. And then, no one would ever block the way of the door because it's a live exit. This is how we read it. Another one, What can you say about this one? There is no, it's an order. Camping, you know what is camping for sure. So no camping in this area, in this place, in this zone. Great. So the sign says camping is not permitted in the area. Great. Let's move on. Oh, quite complicated but easy. There is a drawing of an animal. The animal is called penguin. So penguins crossing. Slow. What does it mean? Yes, it means penguins, those little birds who cannot fly but walk. Penguins cross the road ahead. For drivers, must slow down their speed. So this sign protects animals from the passing by cars. Great job. Very well. Another activity now. I will give you a panel, a sign, and you tell me where can we find this sign. Read it and tell me where can we find it. You have 30 seconds. Okay. This panel is usually found by the seashore, by a coastline. Yes, on the beach. Why? Can you tell me why? How did we find that? Okay. It is because it warns about the different types of sea waves. You can hear, see? Swimmers, waves, swimming, surfing, waves. Yeah, it's about seashore. Let's move on. What about this one? I gave you a little hint. Where can we find this panel? "30 seconds for the answer. Can you guess it? Yes, it is on a train. This board, this panel, this sign, we find it on a train. What is the proof? Because it talks to passengers, and passengers are those who travel on board of a train or a plane, but also because it has this little symbol. Pictures show the form of a train. Here it is. There are some clues that you can find here, like tracks, the rails on which train rolls, on which train travels and moves. We call them tracks. Also, we have staff. Staff, a group of workers, employees who help people on board. Great job. I have some more activities for you. You can refer to your book, student book, on page 64. So read again all the signs and activities, and let's go for the quiz. I'll meet you there. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon, inshallah, on our next video, which will be the last one. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.